Hey crafty critters, today we're going to make a little reindeer or a moose, and all you'll need are some sticks or some little wine corks and maybe some little items to decorate it if you choose to do so. So let's get started. This is going to be a reindeer made with corks, or you could use these little wooden pieces that come from the dollar store. I'm going to use corks for mine, but I wanted to show you some other options as we go along. So I'm just going to cut out a little notch here so that my head can get glued onto the body. And I'm using quite large corks for the body and for the head. And then for the legs, look, you could use some of these dowels. You could use these little wooden pieces from the Dollar Tree. Or you could use these clothespins. Just cut off the bottom parts and kind of trim it up a little bit, clean it up, and those would make cute legs. And then I have gotten some sticks from out in my yard that I'm going to use for antlers, and some bigger sticks for my legs because I want to make it kind of rustic. So I'm going to cut me 4 little legs out of this stick. So I have my 4 legs. I have my body and my head. I'm just going to load that little crevice that I made up with hot glue. Put it on my body. Now I'm going to add a little extra hot glue around it to make it sturdy. Now looking at it now, these legs look a little bit long. And it probably should have made a little tail. But let's just go with what we got. Could be a little Rudolph. Or it could just be a little deer. I feel like his body is so fat and his head, it kind of looks like a moose. But I'm okay with that too. Now for some little antlers. This is kind of like the easiest project of all time. And really, I feel like you could make the body and the head with some thick sticks if you have some big sticks out in your yard. Heck, you could even make a life-size one. Look, that looks pretty cute. Now I have some little squiggly eyes that could go on it, and then look, a little red pom-pom for a nose. But like I said, I'm making it for a guy, so I'm just going to leave it kind of plain. Put this little tan raffia around the neck. Tie him a little bow and call him a day. I think he's going to go with that little Christmas tree. There it is on a little placemat. Well, that was like the easiest craft we've ever done. So, hope you hit the like button, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!